Ross here, and I'm going to show you what I've learned in trying to find alternatives to the lifting of marbles with magnets in the MMX ring gears. Here's a straight line section of a ring gear with the same profile to hold the marbles. I've added a front lip here which is at 45 degrees, and there's an insert inside that has spacing to hold the marbles. And I'll show you what it works like. I built a ramp here. I initially started at 30 degrees, which puts the entry at a similar angle to what's on the MMX right now. But there's a minor issue where if you're entering marbles here at 30 degrees, they drop down too fast, and I don't have the curve as well to get to the bottom of the ring. So I found 20 degrees, which this is a better angle to simulate what's going on. I'll just put a stopper in there. Okay. So we can load up marbles into an entry ramp, which is 30 degrees off the gear and about 5 degrees down. And you'll see when we go to enter marbles like this, they come down. Now, okay, I jumped and that one fell out. That's the kind of problem you get if you're coming too fast, or if there's jerkiness. And I may not have the profiles perfect here, but what happens, the ring gear is going to come to the bottom, it starts climbing, they go back on the ramps. As they come up on the ramps, you can see they're nice and held, and the ring gear is going to continue up and up. It gets to the top, and just as it goes over the top, you can see how the marbles come forward. So they're hitting the back side of those little cogs, and then as they're coming here, and with the slightest angle, this bottom floor is horizontal, but with the slightest angle or a picker, they'll exit at that location on the ring gear.